Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England.
Meba 1 week, meba 30 days, meba holiday, mbedi 2 weeks. Near the visa na tate mu say sometime. Now 9 ebes tintim ohima kro yi so pe na afi wadwan sesa udim na wotwe mienu miensa obehu a na afi na visa wu visa ni wu ye no afi na o twentwe ho na me visa wi meye den sesi a o se me ye adwuma meye den enya no nko a ebi so a we student waba na ya ma visa we wie usuku o se wo kọ wanko visa wu be den ekwan bebre na ya ibepie ekro so a na emra enyoma ekire se o se yetumetena na ye adwuma na yemfa nhwe ye ho hwe yemma na yentumi mpo enye bi nso manifie no na saa nkratasem no na ye tatahwe adofo ene ensema ye ba bedwiridwiri mu uwo kromu ha o 19 tim ye meka se o 19 tim ya wa obeti ase ye kọ ye ba obi wo ho ye adwuma all right too nso ye ka se police fo na immigration fo e ba na adwuma mu pe irade se wanse ne ho a obefa mpemo medwane enye no nko a embi kra na oni na mefichire na wo de wo kọ koniaba up and down o ti se police fo ehia mantemu ba bia menua ukofa ho kra na oyem hyehyew adentira enam nkratasem anase enam se wa unim se uhuntwa ewo kromu ha uhuntwa ukọ party kra na dede bi yese ba ho potilo ye hu we kira kwan kra because unim se uhu entwa wabeware wenya dofo wabeware mumienu nyina muhuntwa mawumba embia na adom enam mba no so na bibi nkitinkiti bia betwem na nso mumienu muhuntwa mobeye den ena mo nso manya asetena ni bi. Thank you very much. Mo be den na mo nso manya asetena ibi. Mo be den na mo nso mo nan etintim ho. Se ne ayedi koniaba ne ayare ho kra ne se wabetena kromu ha na yesi sebi previasa. Webusuani bi aka baabi embia umami ana papa enye sa na meka no nanso obi aka baabi a oda wakoma so a o se utumi kọ na wokosra anasa utumi kofie na wokogina o se brantie wesi ubu na wokoyeyi so fa me koi ewo he ube koi ube yeden asan wechi aba we nyina utumi usu a obi nti ase enye se sika na unio nanso wo nko a na wote uhwidi wirie mu nyoma awewe no nko a na wote ase enam se nkratasem enti ene obi bes cancer brofwe waye illegal no na chese wa unim se waye nyoma bi nkitinkiti bi nti waye illegal na obeye den na wadane illegal no abeye legal na wakoma atoweyem ene ehonsem na ye ba bedwiri wofia ha menua mon join yen Uncle Ben wofidia ha mon join yen Facebook for mon join na mon share program no na enkwe chichichichichi ene mon share na enkwe chichichichichi na eye me wanwa enra obi betena me so a me ni kum sei me mmoa no na onye ne yiyu we hwan no settle status no o si until da na me send text message answer no kai say boy ni sticker tare ni passport mo no saa you permanent status na yede ma na 10 years emre no wo ho a ewu se santan a oni mumpo enti na kire se nsem we no ebeye wo se wo de wate afa wasuo mu anti wo de onim ne ekọ nso obi ti baabi onim kura na se wo wempia asem na ti kwa ebeye den na edu obi nchen enuanom na adofo Facebook ebusua GN radio ebusua me de me nan egu fom me pa mo chow mon share program yi na nkwa chi u bua ene no ebekọ akoka webusua ni bia wokra wonim se ne nkrata asem no onim ne ekoso wo wiase mon share the program on all your WhatsApp contacts, all your Facebook, all your messenger. Just sharing bottom no. Me ana make can say yen fesika yen chia ansa na we me akokromotina na odi share. Enti mon share obi a what messenger we so nyina share, just share it. Na wo yesa no omo so omo share obehu say ebedu obi kenso. Na December was just around the corner. December me kata meni me bie no na December 30th 2020 no edru so na obi hu akokyere no adofo mumme yenye saade we eti se wo kanyame asem atwuru bi na wo gine nkwa enti no eno no menso masem no mesremo yo yen me mama kasa ni enkwechi. It's just the introduction for you to know how important it is for you to share the program for your friend, your loved ones, your family, somebody somewhere to get this message across. Senior Beya ononso obejine ho. Medama say. Ye friend me manye nate, u friend manye tia. I salute you. Very good morning to young papa, Dr. Uncle Ben. Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, manye tea. We want to say.
But na min pimpia no memuna yente wonka. Yes. Mpacha wotemenka.
Metonka pa, wotemenka.
Dr. Rembro na dia no beka sementi then lawyer Ben papa. Mpacha mensantie voice enhwe.
Wotemenka.
Okay, are you faint kakra but I hope say ebe you okay. Okay. Yo. Anope mpacha me ma good morning.
Manyeti anope meje oso. Meje etiefo nyina so. I hope say obi a ho ye.
Adom ne ahwe ye nyina ye ho ye. Adom no da so ekra ye. Yo, Uncle Ben, we dia we besie me amakasa bebre nti no. Already 10 minutes etwa efri emre no. Na mum ye gidi say etiefo ati. Mema ho kwan chichi adofo na afedie. Oni ensha ase.
Yo manyeti anope michia minuanom ne madofo yechia ubia oti GN radio or our Bwf Solicitors. Yes, so yeah, Facebook Live. Na I'm saying anope yetimi anya hodin abetena ha idea. Na nyame ne dana se because or the achayen amaya hodin ti asedana akọ no ho. Dodo na nso ko mo de mo station ato ha mo hwe na enadwumadi a yebedi no titiri omo a sabi omo ninam ha bobo ebia oni hwe eno na ye ba bedi hu nkita ho na ya hwe se obi wo ma ebetimi aboa na enti se woni mo bi a obetimi asene link na ma no na wetie because questions be brave beba and amanyeti nso be bisa step by step approach na meya no nti manyeti anopa die I'm say announce your Friday but massage suit which is quite unusual because normally no Fridays na yen suit Monday to Thursday and ye share adwuma mataria a suit na muhumi sa na chese I'm saying I'm saying manyeti munim say na Black British Business Award Professional of the Year 2020 for the whole of United Kingdom. Yebedi hu juma and then yebeyi winners no. Ti ayeme ana Cratchby ana abayo bina just a kono anwede, but means you know, the also nyabi bi awaye wi. 5 o'clock, more link no mo betimi a connected by Zoom or register free. Now very brilliant award. And
sorry about that.
Manyati. Hello.
Pachote menka sisi.
Metonka sisi yes.
We no menya technical way bi me say nwom na start ebo nti na say me yo Uncle Ben yeda say nti ene no or say na when you vote is it by voting and I say when you go through the link now type we na ma you can say where to put your small bit of details na fi there eno ano no and I say bibi potin or say we
there be mum vote my interview my facey top industry experts, lawyers, accountants, you know, communication experts, marketing experts, top cream de la crema of the Black community in the United Kingdom. Sa awardee, that is what it is. Enti bako face here no, ti bako face here no lada. Enti judging panel no, you know, I comprise it. All the big law firm in the United Kingdom, Baker McKenzie, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, PricewaterhouseCoopers, some big financial institutions and lawyers, you know. I'm judging panel. And you're voting. Voting here, Sanka. My Ghana for you voting. We know your judging panel. Okay. Interview. Over 3 months ni ya training yen woni ma bi ho aya ya interview nti ene na ye be hu de nyame ayi no say ombe Black British Professional of the year 2020
ye de nyame ase ye nyina ye nim ye be bie hu ma ne so na photo bo ho den nti enuanom as time goes on me hwese me producer me sabeka no na memfa link no nso ento ye Facebook ne so nti ukoho a eno ase what you need to do ni se opeso hu a hu ni fili gado chia all you need to do is just send a code near celebrate intina wehu senior eko so ye be she do medie na sina eno so ye de betum ama mu nyina wehu mo ma yen celebrate yen penimfo no na o ma ya ade be me de say ye be bie de ye be reveal no na o na ojina enke na nadwi rade yo ye hwe okay Uncle Ben yen hwe ye dwumedie na se na ye bisa ye ho se obi aye illegal wo krum ha enam one way or the other kwan be bre so na ema yedane illegal wo krum ha enti no medical so ama ho kwan as time goes on I'll be asking you a few questions based on this particular topic enti no mema wo the net topic no education no abetudwa enti o koso no question bi chiri madwen a mabisa mpacho
Yo, Manyati, I'm saying, yeah, treaty topics, yeah, call the end of the year. And in Crophobia, you fire and sanka omokra. Omo you be out here owning crata. And ono uni yere, unikun, uniba, uniena, unieja, or teha owning crata. And you will be munsa omo yere and omo womba, and I'm winning answer ning crata. And you will be so a sabio abia. Wababekem ya rebinti untiminko ononso oninkrata enti dia mefa no say mebubum first of all obibeka say why na oye illegal ye ka say obi ye illegal wo ha na che say either say na setena wo de bae no ewu ye twem ana say ono emu wamfa setema mba enti wo hwe ye 1971 act a Foreign Immigration Act na aka state ade oye illegal either so be only right of abode and also only limited leave to remain and not leave to remain either indefinite or permanently. So microphone so when you're exempt under either the 1971 Act, either so you're sojourning, we diplomat and now we BB and actually say we are illegal. na processor illegal ubetimi aye illegal na ichire wakoye British no process near there by from illegal immigrant to British citizen. I don't need to explain. First of all, your friend immigration rules. Now the abo sa illegal for no by titri no. Paragraph B and a section. Paragraph B a friend of paragraph 276ADE. 276ADE. Now, say paragraph 276ADE, Omodeba, July 2012. And this paragraph we buy. Before, no, near war, the 7-year concession from Kola, and near war 14-year route for Impenny4. Naturally, said those days prior to 2012, you know. So what's na Kola under 18, 7 years, na omo concession bia omo de mawo ana say we penny a watena 14 years na your concession bia na ye de mawo eno ye mawo indefinite leave straight away ombe yi sade ni nyina free ho ana omde bibi ba friend no FM route na part of the FM route no the process no bibi a friend no private life and a family life enti sa two pillars here your friend no private life and a family life no another pillar is in tema your friend of Article 8. Sa Article 8, you know, and no eka sa niema 2 we private and family life. Private and family life. However, Article 8, you know, you can buy a ye and no esinchen. Ano noa a create ne private and family life router a bit me ama kwan na intimate friend of pathway to citizenship. Ama pathway, yakase patha, a kwaya ubetimi ediabe British citizen. Into obi a wuni asetna no. British rules na your friend immigration rules no. Paragraph 276 AD, you know, a creative pathway ubetimi ediabe citizenship. First one, a paragraph 276 ADE 1 Roman numeral 3 into 276 ADE 1 number 1 Roman numeral 3, which is III. Yes, say watena kromoha 20 years. Na ubetimi achire se watena kromoha 20 years. Breaki with 20 years. Break in achire se utimi ko holiday eye bibia, but na emom kromoha no watena. Na se woye obia ubetimi achire se krona wo free so. Wuni krono any contact biom ana wohara watena ha 20 years no ama wa lose touch ana say integration with the krona who free so na yabema wasetena mami ntisumyo paragraph 276 ADE 1 Roman numeral 3 I say wabra watena kromo ha 20 years so wuni asetena no watena kromo ha 20 years na watena ha continuously na ubetimi achire se krona wo free so no wonni ne nhyede ni integration and our contact bia wo yebema wo asetena asiane say first of all woti kromo ha 2 ahana watena no watena ha 20 years 3 ubetimi achire se aside sa niema mienu se wote ha watena ha 20 years no krona wo free so no wonhyeda nenu ni bibia ye potin ebema ye free wa ne ekọ paragraph 276 ADE 1 Roman numeral 4 enti ba akọ ne Roman numeral 3 III where IV Roman numeral 4 ye say wo ye akola wo ye under 18 years watena kromo ha mfie nson eye 7 years na mmom ubetimi achire se yesi fi kromo ha ekwa eye unreasonable ana se enya ade a etwa meba be explaining sa coin terms integration unreasonable meba be explaining because case law 𝐒𝐤𝐿 Tanzania wo case of 𝐂𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐬𝐡 nyina wo case of Hwang on article 8 ni nyina wo explaining it later 80 under 18 for no I was say watena ha 7 years ana ye wo omo ye under almost over 18, but almost up to 25. And from 18 to 24, 364 days, not 65. To be already 24 years are only 25. So what na kromo half of age? Ubetimi ay application na yedi ama. Na obibeka say na no ade a okay na say me buy me amedi over 25. Me nya 20 years. Then wo osu bibi wo ma. My 3, my 4, and my 5. See a call Roman numeral 6, which is VI. Say wo want na ha 20 years. Nemum bibi ewo wabrabum a kyerɛ sɛ krona wo free so no. Sɛ yɛka sɛ kwa ebe create a very high and difficult and harsh situation ama. Now never make any na dey me manage ho pa na dey ene dey make because 20 years no you name 7 years no you name above 24 years above 18 but under 25 half of age you name the nkofo and 10 use and paragraph 276 ADE 1 Roman numeral 6, which is VI. So once what na ha 2 years, what na ha 3 years, what na ha 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, undu 20 years, but what na ha now I overstay ya. Now betimi a kyerɛ sɛ bibi potin wo ho ti wuntimi a integrate corona wo free so. And I say, you can say, it create a very difficult and a harsh situation. Ama, it be the same. It be a cultural, and because of cultural issues. Now, cultural can be anything. It can be chieftaincy. Cultural can be said, okay, part of our lifestyle necessary. All those that want to have 20 years, but or part of our lifestyle necessary. Ebi awe akola oba at the age of infant 12. Sisia wedi ebi infant 26. Na chese wedi 14 years. Enti nipa no de oba no oba 1 na akola 2 wabetna 3 woni ukro no ni bibia because hana waba be primary school akọ secondary school ebi kra wetimi akọ university. The other parts no aye religious and religious and sexual orientation. Enti ebia bibi wa wabrabom anya salam there, but religious factor anya salam ana anya humanitarian protection because asylum threshold no ebia wo meet sa threshold no, but because of bibi potin bia ewo wabrabo nim no ntino na e affect wo se wuntimi enko integrity ewo ukro. That point, it has to be made. Now, how do you make that point? So that point, is made by evidence. Law and state factors are almost here. I have 4 factors. Law natural evidence are almost paid. We have page 58 of the 16th of October. Almost guidance notes are almost by almost 30 near my almost pay. And almost 20 years for her, but almost 24, almost half of from age. Omani abro 18, omundi 20 years wa ha. Munyina no pathway wo ho a obetimi aye na odi anya asetena. Ba wona e wose wo kyerɛ sɛ yɛka sɛ kukrum sɛ yɛ Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, Liberia, Iran, Iraq. Bibi pɔtee bi wɔ wabrabom either religious, cultural, language barrier, education, chieftaincy. Bibi pɔtee bi wɔ wabrabom a ɛyɛ affect ya wuntimi ɛnkɔ wukro. Maka wei no yɛwɔ bi mo nso a ebi a ɔwɔ ba wɔ ha enti ne ba no atena ha ɔwɔ ne ba no wɔ ha ana ɔde ne ba no fi Ghana ɔde akwadaa no ɔba no na akwadaa no adi 10 years sisi akwadaa no adi 17 ti akwadaa no atena ha 7 years ɔno akwadaa no betumi ayɛ application no under Roman numeral 2 276 AD 1 Roman numeral 2 na wo no wayɛ wɔ application no as a parent of a child. And no under the FM route, paragraph eligibility leave to remain parent no now why your application no process no is similar but different because in addition to niema amaka no so won qualify wo hoba wo ba e ba no qualifier wutibi gina wo ba no so de wo pesa wo kire ne say because wo wo hwe wo ba no ye wo bibi a friend of family life between wo ene wo ba no eno no aban no behwe ebi no ye wo say wo ba no ye qualifying child either 7 years of British citizen but me can British citizen me ka kola watena ha 7 years wutimi gina kola na so editina the other part na aya ankrofo hunu say wo niema maka nyina ebi any who fa wo but conventional article 8 I friend human rights act no human rights convention British for afa to the black time draw human rights act section 6 no section 6 no says the way ye wo say ade be affect your private and family life with me ejina so at the application. The other part here, usually no mubetia yes you ware British na woni stay na muni ba ye de ye advice so say gina so age say okoba but say we share obi a owo stay and now ye British na uwo bibi a ye friend insurmountable obstacle. Now we British ni not 2 years and now say what worry British ni because definition of partner under GEN 1.2 no either say what worry no and now matna 2 years and now we several partners so we are sad ni be now we share British ni and now we share will be a indefinite stay but because we live no e wu na we illegal ni no e affect wo wasitna because I only immigration status I beka second so we betimi a kire say e kona ye second so e be create situation be a your friend insurmountable obstacle no uko appendix FM na appendix FM EX1B e define aka insurmountable obstacle and EX2 e define now the quality of evidence are we here no and then normal case of 𝐒𝐥𝐥𝐿𝐻𝐿 and a case of 𝐂𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐬𝐡 a 2017 citation. Case of 𝐒𝐥𝐿𝐻 no refer to insurmountable obstacle say eye bibi a emu edu a esi wo kwan say wo ene wo yere no ana wo ne wo ku oye British ana wo indefinite leave no ye ka se mum free ha e be affect wo ana say be affect. It's as simple as that. Enti wo a woni asetena no wo share British ni a of course utimi ware no but burden bi wo ho a e wo say wo overcome sa burden no ana say e wo say utimi hurifa sa burden no so sa burden no ana normally no eye burden bi a emu edu ebi ni say e bi a wo yire ana wo ku no one ya wo no wa aha no watena onte kasa bia aka brofo no adwuma bi a oye no onye bi wo Ghana ana se yare potin bi wo na brabom a onya ho ayaresa wo Ghana ana se wa wo mu no bibi potin bi wo brabom either se wo combine exceptional requirements under appendix 276 ADE 1 Roman numeral 6 no now the article 8 aka ho now the appendix EX1B na aka ho. Now why have argument say based on this pillar no me what article 8 right me what exceptional circumstances and an insurmountable obstacle so metimi ashuwe so utimi combine here all those say you can say o worry obi a wonni or you British and all stay now we need visa I just say okona obama yes I can say in some situations very limited situations still obetimi agina na so now the application enti manyati we na ene mede be mamo so obi o question o person obi samia obetimi abisa
yo Uncle Ben what is me acheche mu pa na sa case of 𝐒𝐥𝐿𝐻 any 𝐒𝐭�𝐬𝐻 so say I don't know if I mentioned it correct and no and I mean so me interested pa na ye can say se bibi potin ewo nipa no embia yemfa ne say me oba no me na me ye Ghana ni e na me hia obroni anase obi a yawo ne ha anase British ni enti no se me a mempese yebekọ fie na yakọ ware ansa na se memekọ no ware me ansa na masan aba no oho no se sa insurmountable obstacle na ebi wo mabrabo mu anase sorry o se wo me mabrabo mu me a me oba na me ni hwe no anase ewo se wo obema no a mehia no ono na brabo mu nti no yentumi enkofie na yenko ware ho no mpacho cheche mu kakra ma me be me de kakra.
Okay, well, first of all, no, insurmountable obstacle no both oba na be ma ni nyina. Enti either say wo your application and I will hear and I will go na ujina so. I was some show insurmountable obstacle.
Okay.
Bibia your friend insurmountable obstacle. Bibia a creative hardship.
Right.
Very difficult situation. Unreasonable in.
All right.
A harsh, very difficult situation.
Okay.
Enti bibia a creative harsh, very difficult situation. Na ubetimi agina so na ya brabo mu no then a creative harsh and very difficult situation when I was we your case for example obi wa ha ebia our heart condition and I say our cancer
okay
and I say our prostate
okay
and I say our gynecological issues or receive treatment because bibi to say fibroid all those it doesn't lead to fatalities. I was say you trust. So we bet me a say yare way and our situation way and your language in kwa and your mintimi katri anaga ana ewe another bani. But bibi potting wa me ko Ghana emma me life no nye
easy ma.
Me life no endi mu by even Ghanaian standard no a bit create problems amaye sad no and a friend insurmountable obstacle. It has to be harsh. It has to be a very difficult situation. I know now yeshe say anya I lead to harsh condition. Very difficult condition. Won't mean passes our testing. Because case of 𝐒𝐿𝐭𝐢𝐬𝐿, a case of 𝐂𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐬𝐡, ningina eka say the very harsh condition and in the very difficult condition, the extreme form of unreasonable situation will also meet. And yet 𝐒𝐿𝐥1A are unreasonable, way a higher threshold. And it's in a very limited cases, and I will be to me actually on insurmountable obstacle.
Okay, Uncle Ben Medasi. Na ne second one so ne say yemfa ne say become legal no. Ye mienu nyina ye ba ye me hye obema bia me ware no. Na ye mienu mimi ne hwe ono so ne hwe. Na ya kan bom ya betna. Ya tena na nyame adom ya wo ba. Oba no nso ayawo no yenim se ye mienu nyina ye ni hwe no ono so eni hwe mpacho menim se o kire yes bi but embia na obi nyanti ho no oho no ye betumi agina ye mba no so the fact say yawo no kurom ha no se ja yenim se ye wo ha de aye se wo ye British but ye mienu nyina ye ni hwe papa de na o se ye
first of all manyeti for Nkolade no Nkolaba under Roman numeral 4
yes
into IV paragraph 276 AD kola omoye under 18 into so requirements na ade o say kola na kira na say ebe unreasonable say ye be man fi kromo then ye unreasonable no say akola usually at the age of 10 11 12 no wa form onwane personality enya ne maame ne papa nko an on your life on school our life maybe or secondary school we have case of 𝐁𝐫𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐬𝐡 Tanzania as a creative avenue be for test be a was we meet na sa test no ebi eye akola no nnamfo our form outside ebi eye ono ane personality a wa form ebi aye say corona ebi o free so no my father say am wono wa ha corona free so no o free ho ache 7 years but oba no na oye nyin kakra yemfa say bi o 6 years na modern buy wa be 7 years sesi a or 13 years. Okay. Enti watena ha since watena Ghana. But the crucial thing is time na wabe di wahano na nani ete onye baby ngenge a wode no ba. Sa akola no ene obi a ya wo no wa ha nipa na adi 7 years no. Akola ofi Ghana aba no adi 6 a wabe di 7 years. Ene obi a ya wo no wa ha wadi 7 years no. Akola no ofi Ghana no ewo more grounds Esen dia wa wo no wa ha wadi 7 years. I didn't na make us okay. Akola wo no wa ha wadi 7 years. 99% wado won at 9. Yes. The life in ebi kra or start school at the age of 5 years. Enti wa school 2 years. Akola who did free Ghana by wadi 6. So by no be start class 1. Wa class 1 we are or secondary school. In that no we did more years in school. Esen akola owo no wa ha we did 7 years. If you didn't start in nursery cry, maybe our school 3 years, 4 years. Okay. Those are the differences and nuances in wom. I didn't know normally no. Say ya wo akola wa ha no we did 7 years. Ye na ya kasa bontomo. But say wo di akola ni free Ghana by. Na if you background we did 3 years and now 4 years. But you see akola na benya 7 years. Yan kan chira so tobo. Ye be application ama. Because that time akola na form ni own personality or ne onua viewer or a class of friends enti oye okay so do betimi refer to the private life whereas akola na wa wono wa ha wadi 7 years or 8 years why school 3 years onye school 7 years o bewa dan fofo de but the majority of the life on monete and those are the nuances and what say we sure say wo ye cases here. Ubetimi differentiate every stage of the case. Of course, case law, but case law not talking it doesn't really help you because every case is decided on its own merits and our facts. And when I was a case, I was say successful. Now ubi and successful.
Yo, Uncle Ben. And yeah, my last question and he said me manyeti me na menya me nkrata meti kroma me ne oba no na me hye oba me bi wo e krom metumi I invite no as partner ye de ama no waba na ye betna ye no me akoye se eja ono obeto me nti no me sorry a nu aduane simiwe ye mi sei se wanya obehu a wo ya mema ya san wo ya mema ya pam wo me partner no na chese me di na ni kwan bia so me mane hu krampo hu so ye bema na chese abuse ya akobem embia na nyoma nkete Uncle Ben obetumi aka se me yire a obewa a me free ye krom me baye enije efre na enije ba ku sei meko road kra ati se mama ho bribe metumi ejina bibi so bibi nsem bi sei na me nso me de ateme ho na ama me asetena ama me nso matena si ana akoben.
Well, manyeti first of all asema we raise happen what community in Debia enti where obi ewa ha as a yere ana ekun ana partner na owa ha as a spouse. Yes. To be as a spouse, either say under the immigration rules and under the Human Rights Act, either under 5-year route and under 10-year route. It doesn't matter. Okay. Once they are sitting on a mouse, say the mouse, say partner and a spouse. So the other party, a year BB, etiao. Now you define BB to say domestic violence. Yes. Now, I follow within the parameters of the domestic violence now. Naturally, say, ubetimi agina so at the application near my indefinite. All those say, oba Caribbean na winya 1 year, ebema indefinite straight away. Okay. Then your friend of domestic violence. Domestic violence, any conduct or action. Conduct or action by wukun ana wo yire. wompena anaasɛ wo civil partner as our conduct and our action affect you either physically, emotionally, or financially. Physically, a bit me I abuse, a bit me I punching bag, a bit me I slaps, a bit me I scratch, a bit me I lockout, a bit me I rape, a bit me I sexual misconduct, a bit me I BBR. Emotionally, a bit me I attempt DDA, a bit me I say you or put you down, a bit me I say omo ontim onka, but or denial aspects be with fear. Client be a mayor in a case about 18 years ago. Now, Nepkuno, a bus driver, Jamaican. Now, on winter bar, Nani Subano bar, winter bar, or manin jarro bathroom, or panishano. No, I could jarre, or cold in him, or more garden. Girl back on so a year the case. And also, no, you see cocoa butter. Nico no say cocoa butter no bon, Timano you see biom. A biom, na on one guy at Diania, or fear Juma baya, no assessor, panning in our to ego, no a beer window in our. Now a catcher of banner said, Manon no Ghana Diani biom. A biom gas man, ebe meter. O who's a gas man na abe meter qua, or fear Juma bar, or say gas man ebe meter, one another, inti raw. Sabi you raw nickers, na me hewa say enyam pasa one another. Now, Sanyama way and your punching bag, and your scratches, and your insults, but emotional abuse. Nina constitutes domestic violence. Or be about domestic violence, Biano. Over two paths. The first path, and I say, obey immediate urgent application, and who provide the evidence, Bia. And the other can say, may suffer domestic violence. We are by email. No more day, or 6 months. Now, what Tobo assay, I gather evidence, Nina no evidence. Evidence in it is one report to AMA GP, Wadam, Womame, Wopapa, Women's Refuge, and I say police. Normally, no, obi go through abuser. Ebia who say abuse. It's ebia on report. Ebi cry or ferry. Ebia person kataso. Ebia on person mame and another for phobia. But sana munyina munim no. Sa niema we no. Enye wo word nkwa. Yes, o word ebetimi I successful. Especially other things I would back up. Ebia why a video. Ebia why with a photograph. Ebia WhatsApp messages one na ye. Ebia voicemail one na ye. Ningina a document sa abuse. Of course, ubetimi aye. And I say I didn't know here when I check it mark be wo mark be by time or year one. One take steps anya hwehwe. But see na wabete mrana so no. Who person take steps. Your doctors are almost specialists in scar. And you bet me a scar, no wait me a cast a scar way. Then I share a scratch, a knife, a biting, and I say a punching. It depends. Ningina jina evidence or no quality evidence or.
Yo, Uncle Ben, oh no, minim say be yankrofu pi de because dodo na go through any or more de bia no more afre no more complain na enemi kuna ye mi say na me yira ye mi say me de me nimpo say empemu kra kosabi eno kra nso ya abuse ne bi but what chechiri mu refusing eno sa anoma ne nyina no ye didi say ne nyina ka emotional abuse ne mo e ka ho yo etiefo sesi anem say me ka say me nko me bisa questions na me mamu ho so kwan enti no normally in time no eko but mamu nsuro me wo first caller e wa homa ne so Facebook for me checha munyina me tie obi ama nice comment bi me kan just in a jiffy na me ntie yen caller yi na afedie me kan sa message no yo order for wa homa no so wa bagian radio dwumedie Bwf Solicitors legal hour no so patcho ye fra o sen na o kase free
Manoti your friend 𝐂𝐤𝐭𝐢𝐬𝐿
Pacho pega voice kakrama me why
Manoti me chia me ma watching your friend 𝐂𝐤𝐿 because free still contract me ma uncle Ben so atching wo duma pa wudi And I mess like I said, yeah, there was so many Yakonya say yes, you miss a question if I'm saying a question is but a good what you educate here on your review. William, a question we come Uncle Ben. I'm saying no, I'm a lawyer units, but unfortunately, man, to me and Yakoyan beside a question to me name Sebia or insight will be to my man. No, I can't say after 30th, no, or more EU for UK free EU no more. You were quite ancestral and a bit maybe your bushing for Abba. But the question is, maybe you need na me kofa me by to me no under me. Now, person come kofa me no ma me eba Marcel eba. The question is, say, almost few mona sa as so for no in-laws for no almost who are quenya so meet my about to say a man and I say it's only a man on Kwane, a no Kwano, Mosa Queniano. What's my question? No.
Okay. Uncle Ben Pacha say what in Candy?
Now, EU free movement, you know, I secured on EU, and it is by December, not EU, waha. Nebusia, and then the year Abusia, and I need Kumabusia Biano, Utimi Koso Diomoba.
Okay. The
first principle, I will say EU, waha, before 31st December. The second principle is that I was a Wabusianino or Yawabusiani before 31st of December. Or more bet me I Wabusian for after 31st of December, still bet me Diomaba. I am Kola over warm after.
Okay.
So after 31st of December, Obano Timibaha under EU free movement.
Okay.
We hear about Etimibaha and after 31st of December. We hear Womami Timiba. The only difference in say obi nya wabusuani by 31st of December with the exception of a bar obe one after now. Say any panel obe use to immigration route. Obe be say why na obe onya wabusuani ba. Okay, ti wo ware fofora wo kun ana wo yere no. Na as at 31st December no nya wabusuani. Ono na busuafo as at 31st December no mo nya wabusuafo. And you are not in a bushing for you now. Audio mobile, I just saw the mobile under the immigration route. Okay. Important several differences. The emphasis some applications now, I say, currently, you will be a friend of withdrawal agreement. Okay. So, our withdrawal agreement is secure EU4 rights for a long time. However, for EU, Send our right no ube benefit no. I was say by 31st of December. Anna, I was say by June next year. Now I apply for EU SSN. 2% would you be by after June next year. Now won't apply for EU SSN. Won't mean for the panamba because we now be illegal. Okay. Omo amende omo guidance notes na ka say EU for na omo vulnerabilities, disabilities. Restrictions are application by June next year. Consider any law, any guidance. Enti monokoko EU4 busia 4 munyina no munya mo application no sisia na muntimi nkoso mfa munuanom embra even after 31st of December.
Okay, Papa wo ho. So they are toso inti no ye befa obi fufuro. Pacho wa number end with 2780. Pacho wona edo so. Your friend was saying now kasa friend.
Pacho from Razak me free Manchester.
Okay, Razak Pacho koso.
Pacho me question about very simple say me EU ni a me plan your settlement scheme no up to December no. What will happen to me? And I want to make my head after December no. That's my question.
And Razak, who bet me a year up to June next year? Why?
Okay, Marty.
Okay.
That's it.
Jerry. Hello, Patrick from Jerry.
Yes, me too.
Jerry,
Okay, me patrol me waba 16. Me wo aminim wo ha say me dasukuta me exempt status no. Na wire application wo Ghana about 3 times. Nina o me refuse no on the basis of the fact say ni dina ye wo no first ye de birth certificate man no. That was here sister no because me ye from rate and a Ghana omokoye no me ye rate wa won if ye din rate wa inti ye mo sesa no the reason why we refuse in here because new certificates na ye no say new certificate na ye no any data the one no emu twekakra and it's not refuse no instead can be say me ye say ye bio na me kofa ne ba because we did 16 next to benya 17 anka adwin fufu bi ho e ma me ana say phone ben anka me fele.
Well, I mean, first of all, no meaning the entire was a DNA problem. DNA be solve BBR. Why DNA?
See, I said, my hello?
So the only issue na omudi refuse no say omunjindi say ya oba na say see why DNA repeat your application no answer na we D18 why
okay yo that's it
yes that's it yes that's it I'm say me try say me the yem photo no yem papa 30th October anadwe 5 p.m. Yen BBBA Black British Business Award na me try say me the beto screen so ama ye nyina ye hu na ya follow procedure na e wo ho no yo odofo a wo ahoma so ye fra wo sen na wo ka se free hin
Ambassador Emia 290
do so
yo manyachi mame encha very good morning na menchia ye papa na obo ani pa the first so na manyachi mame kan asem we say oba la no so a e wo say odi kan achia the lawyer no
yeah new doctor yes
because wa bo ani pa e wo ye na asase we so nti wo say wa ba so bia no wo say odi kan achia papa no because
matse
wutimi mo obi do mu abra wutimi ntia no
no cre
good nti wa ba so bia no so tia ana ene ade ana wo ka say wo pese wo no e post to online ni ade no say obe fan hiyo say obe fan hiyo say e di family no omo contact no omo nyina ku say
Pacha eno na me di odwuma nti na ade ne ye noise na nti me de to so asisi a
but odimu ewo ye community nim nti it doesn't matter say obi a o yes obeko and obe content say bia no and pay by 5 no na obo ni pa
so you na frata you na se papa koso
I know na me be say me question say so unya certificate of application now let's say unya 24th of August how many months no say would so unya the decision of your application so we are real and I say we family member of my wife.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
Yo, I meda was ne abasobo crying shit. Me that's bebre.
Uncle, them straight.
So we have application for EUSS now. Near mouse COA now. Usually, no, because within a couple of weeks and a month, I will say we need a decision. Because of COVID-19, a delay by almost go so clear delay, ain't a macquarie bem. So we be a paper and check number. The only time I check is a our near man so. And I said near man I was kind of the coil and not quality in yet. ɛno na yɛ ɔmo ma bisa ɔmo questions no ti woyɛ application na wobɛtumi upload biribiara na kyerɛ sɛ wode kɔ ɔmo bisa wo a na ɔmo bisa wo a wonim documents a wɔsɛ wobisa for now no for marriage certificate no wode Ghana customary marriage certificate no kɔ a ɔmo bisa letter either from Ghana High Commission and from assembly na wɔyɛ awareɛ no apart from saa certificates na egu so ne statutory declaration ɔmo bisa letters enti sɛ assembly na yɛ letter ɛne wobɛtumi ɛde saa letter na ka ho sɛ assembly no nyɛ letter wobɛtumi akɔgye letter wɔ Ghana High Commission wobɛhia ɔbaa no passport so ɔbaa no yɛ application anaa bɛrima no yɛ application a wobɛhia ne reference number started 3434 sɛ wo no woni NI number wonya adwuma na kyerɛ sɛ wo sɛ wonya document bi a kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ ha sɛ wopa apply for 5 years a saa document no ɛni sɛ yɛ more than 6 months until letter a wodin wɔ so it may be bill, utility bill, gas, water, electricity, council tax, tenancy agreement, bank statement, credit card statement. So yes, I am any na ɛbɛba ntɛm obi bɛbi sɛ na lawyer me application na ebi wɔ hɔ a kwan ni wɔ sɛ me upload woyɛ application bi no ma reference number wo pie free mu a wo sa log in a ɛbɛbisa wo sɛ do you want to add evidence na what is our evidence na ka ho so ɔmo mbisa wo koraa na anaasɛ sometimes no wo nkɔbɔ wɔn nsa a ɔmo nyɛ decision once a ɔmo ma COE no na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo bɔ nsa anaa ɔmo wɔ nsa wɔ hɔ dada which means sɛ ɛnkyɛ bia ɔmo yɛ decision why
yeah okay nti sɛ me yɛ yi no ebusua no ana ɔbaa no yɛ Sudini nti me apply for me 5 years no ana sɛ
when I apply ɔbaa no deɛ sɛ ɔwɔ ha dada ɔno nso betumi apply I assume sɛ watena ha kakra
yeah why ɔno apply ɔno anya indefinite leave to remain which is a permanent residence
that's fine so anya indefinite leave to remain there na kyerɛ sɛ ɔno ayɛ ne deɛ no nti sɛ an bibia no ɛbɛyɛ ɔnwo sɛ wayɛ marriage certificate na yɛ sure sɛ ɔwɔ statutory declaration no
yes everything Ghana na
Ministry of Foreign Affairs certificate yɛ sure sɛ ɔwɔ High Court certificate yɛ sure sɛ ɔwɔ Metropolitan Authority Assembly certificate anaasɛ Ghana High Commission certificate na letter what they come wa be okay why
okay but me ka say so nya no a enti e best 3 months and I say 2 months or 4 months or
once when you see you know it shouldn't be more than a month and a half especially around this time omo dear last year January February March omo nyina de no go through today but omo clear backlog change be either why
okay uncle that's it
Okay. Pacho, wow, number ended with 0894. I do so now. Fedia menkind me messages. Then so ekakra. Pacho koso, mami why?
Hello, mami chawo.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, one line is so no. They say na me peja uko. Wow, number ended 0894. Pacho, wona me no kasa sisiano.
Pacho 0894.
Okay.
Pacho, me
Uncle Ben Pacho Tinenka.
I'm a tenenka.
Okay.
Hello.
Pacho koso, Papa koso.
Okay. Pacho, me jure 5 years work 5 years na so. Nanke say indefinite leave to remain. The last time me refer and advice no was to use set AF. Now set AF no ya fill form na wie edu ba bia ye kwakotua but ye hu ba bia e kire say onfa life in UK test no code ni shim unique reference number ni shim. It's a me I confused say almost any life in UK test. Why life in UK test? But set AF no entry baby I say was say or the unique reference that manishim.
We are so now.
Inti I confused kakra say a wrong form name.
So say we are so genia na.
Me so genia, but still me kuta me Ghana passport.
Until we are exempt.
Until we are exempt, Anna.
Try me exempt.
Okay. We'll call before I obey payment for the forms.
So what Uncle Ben
won't you IHS?
Uncle Ben Patre say, Nkawono untia IHS.
Obano untia IHS.
I know the IHS.
I untia aha.
And a settlement application also here English at B1.
But see at the bottom. Life in UK test na okotra no set AF no form no my option be my baby I say
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all because rule no sir I was saw life in UK and English at level B1. It is a form no ma it doesn't matter. We fill it form no we na utia a list of documents I was saw the count. I was about listing so. Okay.
Yo, Uncle Ben or Betsy with you. Pacho say still what do you want in time? Mesra say ube to me after the program, no be to me after office honor. Now are requesting any of the lawyers now ni nakasa. Why?
Pacho yo.
Miss Medasi. Yo. Pacho okay. Obuwa humanesu but mami 1 second na main kind your messages ne kakra because omonso omwebisa che we see Uncle Ben or see if your wife pregnancy is considered high risk, can you base on it to make application here without going home since you are the main carer? Also, the man has liver problems, but not severe. In terms of or can about say nkaubenya ahasitina no true is the insurmountable obstacle no Uncle Ben.
Okay, well first of all yare bia wo ugidi se yare a be affect my brother boy yakase mumfri kromo utimi de ye say difficult pregnancies and potential complications or childbirth. Some more medical evidence. I was some medical evidence for Ghana and expert evidence. Exactly so year and bibisa with that particular problem. Sign or be treated. About cost to a head because yare bi wa say who yare na pre-existing na wunya insurance. Although some who say home office sometimes say Ghana National Health Insurance no be cover. Ebi wo any National Health Insurance list so. Still omeka say ubetimi akoya insurance. No mama list of medical insurance in Ghana. But obi anim say medical insurance or pre-existing condition when you're covered. It is about me a condition now one any national health insurance or Ghana, but our private treatment a muniska. Ubetimi a use argument. Any issue be with the kidney or liver, a potential life and death situation. It is a non so two issues with potential difficult childbirth and medical issues with liver or kidney. No, what the bomb now was strong medical evidence. Now would dwell on other aspects of sections 9 and including Article 8 now. Ubetimi a strong case, but you can only make a strong case with proper medical evidence.
Okay, you Uncle Ben. Say obeti okay me mpacho wa homa ne so edu so ye fra o say na o kase free
I'm a patch of me chairman one Uncle Benny Juma Pamudi and I link in a sort of minim say for voting the name is Robo Modian Soj Batosonaja into me more because Uncle Ben a boy
Uncle Church and you're voting but it's just for the revelation of the award winner no
okay
okay just say me the photo na to host is until or GN radio Facebook so I obe who say me the poster no ato honum and a link and so on the WhatsApp group so nyina me the atoso until I say o click here it's just a free, you don't pay anything. It's a straightforward thing. All you need to type is celebrate. You type now send near a twice or not just say wow we home 5 o'clock sharp you get the result. Intinum patchomwa na ye na Uncle Ben why you be my pa me did say ye be revealing no no gina ho ntino me bohu kra intin patcho bi sawasem ne enko why
yo me question is you for be free UK for be free you mo say ama you for there say ye ho papa ya kakra but one say na omo no you for no na ye wo chance be say at least obakura the even 30 years kra na ultimate show dependency a obetimi akofa na ba na mpacho mo free mo on the 31st na sa akonya no of say oba the more than 18 years no sa akonya no edan wo ho na say the market age ni short to or more immigration route no so
okay and
so by 31st of December now obano at the 50 60 70 years crowd bet with the number so above 21 I was so much less abortion because so here rules now akola oye 0 to 21 ultimate the number akola obro 21 now I was so a dependent family member tiade abecha na say we money transfers ekomo
but what you say
me pacha Matthias na me nhira mo bebre me da wase yo
pacha wa ugina so 1 minute ma me why na yentie we.
Good morning, Manity. Good morning, Uncle. And I'm a snake my palm way. I'm a new community. I'm in Patron, first question is you citizen, that's why you settle citizens now. No, your baby now, or are not more prepared for customer marriage. You know, Sabrina was not more to me, and we let it fit them and a banner for a marriage certificate in the bar. And then to me, I application for resident card the panel and one because almost by 31st no one to while and one. Second question, Patron, the cat have maintenance now. You have answered we are now Shakulano would need Pio Cosheno, most and it's a to name of Ma or Barney Bibi, and still about me to walk Uncle Fono Hami at it one. Cornelia knew we jetting might be the gay on in a way on your corn mango for no rejected someone to what the tennis car. Which is and found so when woman is KBB, but still bet me to walk on it until on the vessel tree Mukaka.
Okay, Uncle Ben Pachotti.
Yes, well, okay. I mean, first of all, no, so the first question will be about Obia or Shannon Baba stay. I didn't call child maintenance. Yes, when your banner arrangement now utia, so banner you happy and I be man on you happy. Still obey me the work. Even work rabbit me I refer one because sometimes my assessment now it be a favorable, but the bottom line is idea. Omode no assessment based on your income. To the award bachelor based on either self-employed income and as or earned income and then omode assessment
okay.
Whether I say when you ban no arrangement and so you know happier obet me refer to yes.
Okay. Yo offer so very good morning to you. Pacha offer free na ye frɛ was saying.
Good morning. My patrol, your friend Grace. My friend Wellington.
Yo, Mammy Grace, Chia, Uncle Ben, na Yanko.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
You ready, my patrol, more British child, and you leave to remain. Na, my banner, autism. Na, mankasa nso at the moment minima me ba bewo na me pese me hu se me nya adwuma no na me wo benefits no metimi ama me sister penny application ama na ba bebo me because it's difficult with me ba no send any behavior tia no se me wa me a single parent so difficult ma me say me hwe no na me dey be go school because wo dey go school to me etumrika one chasing or hoka only idea of any danger around here. The behavior difficult in the person major benefit now mean edumano. Let me my sister penny application, I'm another support to me one now. And my sister Bakunsuba holidays. Ewa hanu say na okitaba 4 years. Na me person who say as answer me bana yo no kwenti metimi ama ne ba no aka. Me sister de obekọ back by metimi ama ne ba na aka. Our car school say me pay school kwanyama na mana ko school na enya me ameba na ya Mrs. Abana ebeye okay sir no be allow kwala na mana ko school ha na
but your sister Abana sitting be no kra
on kita sit no de visit neighbor na nka mpese nkontena na one me ba no se ne be ya me ba no one me ba no betimi agrodi mu no ho kro no ba because of me ba behavior no at least never boano amo no so akopeni me bi efi Mrs. Tabana ho
ohima anya advisable say obema akola betina ha illegally sir usano ebia but starting here be cause problems the other part no say obi ba che to nchen in some no ye bebre especially wo akola or learning difficulties an issue was a dream ye. Who person cofa colano ba you let me go through the formal channel and legal channel. One BB or bar, Sabio or so cross on Obetima, bet me I shall know. And she said, sister, I will be a Juma when you seek out dear. Of course, I okay, bet me about the only problem is, sir, all those Ghana for no. Especially war learning difficulties. Benefits are yadema I am with Dukakra, Tabia to be wait me to be akoshe konabino. Because this can yadema will say dino. Not just say, Ombeka say, well, I mean, yes, wait me a same with you, but problem is say benefits are yadema. I don't know how I any create issues. As our sister so when be a wood dear, I want a Juma Papa be a oya. Obit me the money amateur. And yeah, absolutely fine. Obit me the number. Fine.
Okay, yeah,
that's okay.
Yes, yeah, that's Mama Grace. You yenko yenim and Crawford manesonam pamocho. I was saying me yen fair share na ubia any engine ho. Enti yentie mami so.
Good morning, Magneti. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Dr. Ben, anyway. Me pachopi me 50 plus. You be life cover ni be. Be 15 years and over now. Now no how no the letter brand say one more nominate undertakers. So mean transfer sika menya after after mini hono. Na me farmer woman na wo mini ho a wo my undertake bibia. But mintiasie is it right? Undertaker de na kamia ya yenim Ghana for ya yenim undertaker for usually wo mu ye nyema ma ye mintiasie me person me sign paper bia on to say meti unka ye frame me antivic me da CP Magneti oyira don nyuma job. Thank you, bye.
Okay, Uncle Ben, Mami Oka say we did 80 years September year until nasemuni.
You mingabo. Manya, I'm sir Oti Mamena insurance I was sign. Part of insurance and I say woo or me CC which a crowd come. Na kromo ano entisa Ghana wa uko much recover with now they never fear be jarino. Na who ya wabono kolebu powder and our pons. Now the nato. Kromo ano and na takers na yes ejuma. 80 and all my options choose one that taker. Minimum insurance ni bi wa. And that takers are mu choose yero. E bi ko bankrupt be a jaya juma. ti omo the new undertakers abrem so share insurance no share terms no na hwe ade ewu ko be hu say terms no part of it na say uwu a omo de usika ni bi ebesi ti anche say wo ba be wu na na china but sabi o nyina ye nim da ye be wu ante good say usiesie wechi ana hanu nso obusuafo ntimi nko mortuary anopatutu nkofa wufu mafie undertaker pet and etimi yesa enti reading ye na hwe terms no na obehu say anya ade bone kra why
me jidi say obeti because my catcher ni say kasa sisi anti onti yo Uncle Ben me woni pa mienu e wa homa ne sisi a ba ko edi kan patcho wa na ma end 3802 na edo so your friend say na kasa friend
good morning from KK
3802 patcho wa na edo so ya kasa kasa friend na your friend say
hello good morning. Hello, good morning. Michelle.
Hold on.
Okay. Yeah.
Pachote menka. Okay, Uncle Ben pachote nenka.
Betenenka pa.
Okay, you any koso me dey maintenance ka. Koso Uncle Ben beti you.
Okay, Madam Tonka. Good morning, Maniati, Michelle and Uncle Ben. Being the KK. Being the KK, Uncle Ben, you hope say and and wish you will materialize. No way winning competition. My question is say Obiwa Bofana why the first application and 276 ADE another private life. So what's now 7 years and he was on under 18 years. Now after the 3 years, no call for second round now. What is the relevant law? What's the relevant law? So because this period now, we now have for any age. We can answer me that. Thank you.
Ejikeke, what was 7 say emphasis will be abaha with this 17. Why application? You did not call 2.5 years. Or back us or renewal no. Now when you advance 20 years. Nature say ontiminko 7-year route na say yes because I don't know o start here I na wende baby I start on na wende until we hear decision and also appendix 276DE and na kira wade ya de ma no ya ma na 120 months which means 10 years until and also no be ko on switching ko baby o start here on na be end why
or the atus so the atus ana keke so ugina so me dem nte won kan te ugina so ana
me gina so batman intimate wo radio no
yo
okay
yeah
thank you
yo
bye
bye pachodo for awa homa ne so edu so ye fra o se na aka se french ya Uncle Ben na yanko hello kola pacho wa landline so na edu so. Okay, say Mbia went to me engine so Uncle Ben yanko yenim na yan kind your messaging so or see good morning Uncle Ben, good morning Manyeti. Or see, please, I'm just asking if I apply for a fee waiver and it gets refused, can I appeal? Secondly, if I do not have the money to pay, what happens next? The question no Uncle Ben.
Okay, well, fee waiver no just obia or application for private or human rights. Now we qualify either say we are destitute, potentially destitute, affordability test or exceptional circumstances. But so one qualifier, and actually say we say piska na uchia.
Okay.
So we need ska we be chia, and actually say we intimi application. So we are certain that and actually say we go overstay.
Yeah.
Obia wo application bia just dream say and 2.5 years no obesa akoye application bi
okay
it started na save usika na time no so ankoryo
okay you yeah that's it oh I'm so no so Angela so okay yentie we
morning Manyete lawyer so my application Mokuni ya enyo ni na mezatum. Na ye worry na yezekotum. Menya me letter of application. Now submitting there wasn't a letter of application. Ye botum. Ya zakaji na sister na number na efrawana onko. Pocho any other means why put my another yenchana na zamani na ba ye zafron. Medasi.
Yeah, on the Damazi, the penna uche meka ho asem. Na mame hunde on the emritia where wabe COVID wabe. Abano nimpesia bebrena watum. Na one I want to mun so no what's the way you juma virtually, another remotely. Ti nintumi nya appointment na ena no nso eya wopode obisa wano asem ansa na wodamo oyada oha wadwen na dapena otwam ma meka ene de se eye obi a wodam asem no mu a botum atro ena ifon na kadama asem a kire won de ya ena na tumenya kwan na wonfa omboi na nko interview oha wadwen oyaza oha wadwen bi wona wenya waseta no kra bi mo wa wenyi ena na mmom mameka to ado no de se ekopa edwuma enye ena na wozikan wohwe wasetena enti se ekopa edwuma a wobahwe wo paper na ikran ena no nso nansen no wonya no card eya wodi gu paper no do mo betuma aye no da edwuma no botuma ma temporary number ti tira amde me ba krom ha foforo na me ye student temporary number no chro ni TN now I'm found the date of birth here 13th of April 1980 no aye TN 13041980 nti yebesi a na wachro F yebenya na wachro M botuma ya o temporary number no na za ma onu we use na dachi bia no inyawo N9 na wo frɛ bi wo fa ne suspense account ono na wode wusika na aye contribution no wode egudo nti wo suspense account so obekwa akogu wo temporary number na either the edwuma na create ana na creating na inya number na wa transfer ni nyina egudo nti N9 na nkasa no onye de osiw kwan de onu ntini ntumi nye edwuma se wo nkrata wode ye edwuma nkutoza botum use krata no na edwuma na create temporary number ana ampo awa create with temporary number na edama won na wada ye na da ye edwuma ai
you obeti ma ka chende kasa sisia won ade ne hunto obeti na mum ne kasa be ka do retonyom oye yanko yenyim enso se good morning Uncle Ben, good morning Manyeti. Can you still use the paper application for naturalization as British citizen? Or friend Mike Ona so called okay. Can you still use the okay? The same question we're repeating 3 times into ma answer Pacho Uncle Ben.
Yes, obet me use you from AN at the application, no paper application. No. But to see how the one is we online application I quicker. Muntem essence we paper application. To advise I didn't be say online application. Neat, quicker, and I feel so a ma or near man wow.
Okay, Uncle Ben, where the follow up quick one. Yeah, ma'am, in Pachawa original so ma'am 1 second why. Yeah, ma'am, or answer the question about undertakers now. What trust him or that's na or no per se or choose na undertakers or more understanding Ghanaian custom into no ye be man who kwine and I send your moka na no moka.
Ebe jina the insurance now or sign you know. Ebejina more terms. So more terms say you be choose amawa, which will be very unfair because a celebration of life and solemnity in death, It's an aspect of life. Okay. And you choice, and I was saying this. I'll be surprised. Wouldn't me indecide any part or by a undertaker.
Okay, yo, Ntima. If you are listening, I think you can understand what Uncle Ben just said. Yo, hello, caller. Sorry for the time. Pacho free near Frozen. Pacho, what would you know? So, who can say free near Frozen? Oh, you went to me in Janaswa, Yenny way and Casa. Hello, caller. Pacho, oh, I'm so, your Frozen, who can say free.
Yo, open me and say, Uncle Ben, Maneti. Uncle Ben, open morning, how boy.
Why, hello, no,
Open in fair application for indefinite leave to remain in fair 2.5 annual. In fair July, I'm sending me information in fair IDEV. It was in fair Kete. She in she so far in your meaning come at 2 year. More family if no just about September. More family decision. She meaning say me no July till inako decision. It was in my home office be ni mo correspond the case worker could they care 6 months rule applies. It was with inyama we no go until 6 months issue from the day need application. She now she meaning say near July inako response ni inyanyo many I may feel September October now may have I'm a book now may have a biometric I'm fear many response. Women to my BI I know maybe there's something wrong because in can partner your no kono check ko wo be or fan or choni e wo no kono check ko ye wo blanch ni wo be 10. Women to my BI so fan no kono can say no kono sanema feel worried allo in shame to time ni 6 months e ba she.
My application of here.
Often indefinite leave to remain.
Mini odumo you no allo namo.
Dabi in camp
odumo banano.
Often
naturally baba many me I'm a fair between March and July. COVID I am mole. Oh application COVID mole again. Many me fail September no me agbele mi. Ewo I'm a no ya. She ibaba ewo naturally onu.
Often you.
Okay then.
Okay. Oh, you are done, yeah. Naturally, no castle more time. Many memo me and having me. Yo, Uncle Bear, that's it. This is no, you call off the radio because 11 now, Boanka was say, ye dear, me dear no eba. If ye na last week me can say now bet to me at next 15 minutes be a can one nanka yen questions you go in yen to me answer no I shall sweetie or send bisa permission answer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, bet me I kakra say or catch them into my prepare.
Yo, yeah, that's it. And your opinion soon ni hantino. Bekoso. Yo, Pachokola o number ending 1523. Which in kwasi. See, I any radio no so radio no call off for just the next 5 minutes. But Facebook no any answer of the questions the still light can go on. Inti say onti and can radio so Pacho emane how you be back sisia. Inti wa number ending 1523 no wona my page will call. Your frau say now kase friend.
Good morning, Manya.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
I'm the Uncle Ben in Candia, but I hope so to make.
Oh, tell Nkapa, until the Kasa.
Okay. Uncle Ben.
Hello.
Hello. Patrick.
Yo, Uncle Ben. Patrick. Maybe I can say, Mr. Say, may contact for the Uncle pretend to have one makeup.
Okay.
Go coffee to Bamley.
Coffee at the men talk honey, yes, Mr. Say, yeah, they because for Echo Court now, Mr. Sender with the American fashion. I HS charge, but some raise you because
I think there is unlawful, sir. Obey first application. Now also the second application, no matter charge that amount. It may perceive me how we can go about it. The fact of more between the abdominal. I hope I have in my ear. The first question. And the second question is here. Uncle Ben, let's hope you have a moment while my ear. I'm so apply we are. I assume, but you can Zoom and anyway. Dr. Ben, and then Pato, and more bet me up one of my ears in Topano. You can bear me the power. Well,
met me, I research about and I don't meet me the about.
Kofi, so obviously 2 questions, Anna.
My name is Milano. I don't know me drive
Uncle Ben. So besides, you know.
Could be one time says I'm in the 2 society. I mean, TV.
Yo, but Uncle Ben said obisa nsem you know ana me na me honim you know.
Okay, second one no there.
Or the atoso. You also obesan free bio miti or san free na ye ho. Okay, yem ko yenim. Question back wa ha na me bisa. Pacho wa ugina sorry, me fan mo makate no. Enti no wa ugina so na makate rather than pacho san free why? I thought I was now going to pick it up. Yo, my question or see. Or see, I lived here for 12 years and have just met a lady who is British. I am overstayer. She works as a receptionist but lives with her 95-year-old mother who has Alzheimer's. She has mobility problems, so help look after so I help her look after my partner of 4 years is away at work. Question when I am in Yakakra, it's in your turn. I am Yakakra. Okay. Now the question is my partner has 2 other brothers in the nursing home with learning difficulties. What can I do, Uncle Ben?
Well, I mean, first of all, I should say Onuni Nkrata, but Obano, I'm saying you will know Kroma. Now Obano Shani Mame, ne Mame no Alzheimer's, a degenerative disease.
Yes.
And I'm so Obano no Shani Mame na Kracha no so patches Obano Kwa Juma, or no Shama Mame.
Okay.
Not just where the be a case insurmountable obstacle.
Yes.
It be na abemono. And a typical case of insurmountable obstacle because Mameno rely on the Baba and to some extent Nasi Bermana or no Nibino.
Okay.
Now or they're improving the quality of life because we are Alzheimer's there. Not just I refia area. Omutimi as Koda in Suishimukra Montefe and I'll bet me the Nensashi gem. And now bit me a soja, I'm a few wash. Every time be no so only home, not over a fear, home if ye make a home, I can't nursing home. Until any nursing home, no fear. Natural say, I was so sure, say, be one home.
Yes.
This is a classic case of a jackal principle. No, each car or a jackal, no, ebini. To bet me a general the application na audiatna.
Any ne trim kwa me gidi say ne ni beje ho modi evidence ne nyina eto ho a we de home office ne obefa case work ne krani so opportunity. Yo, my next question. I say I met a partner who has indefinite leave. Partner has child 8 years old. Ghana child was born in UK at a time when mother has nothing. Now partner and mother is long-term relationship. Partner think of applying for child, but lawyer said sole responsibility as child's father is in Ghana. Uncle Ben, then also
I'm say ade a can say our partner. Ono our partner ono ni bi.
Yes.
Ana ne partner no e wo ba o se UK born.
Yes.
E ba na di 8.
Yes.
Ana ba no wo Ghana. Ba e ba no papa wo ho.
Yes.
Te ba no papa no hwe akola no wo Ghana.
Ghana.
Enti oba na ko hu lawyer opese ode ne ba no ba.
Okay.
Ana lawyer ka che oba na say bibi wo ho a friend no so responsibility. Because of say akola no papa hwe akola no ntino. Ono lawyer no feel say e be affect the application.
Okay.
But oba no awo indefinite wa. Ana wo akola no wa.
Yes.
Enti obi a wo ba wa ha time na wo na woni bi no. Sakola no so de no call Ghana, so de no call him.
Yes.
Once I when you indefinite, no bet me apply for British citizenship. I'm akola no.
Okay.
Under section 1(3) of the British nationality. Nature say akola no benya British citizenship. Na aje British passport no aba. Enti enye immigration rule application awokoye enye 297 application. We section 3(1) of British nationality. Because akola no under 18. Ana ne maame no ewo no ni bi ba se ani maame no nya indefinite. I don't know what na ode no ba.
Okay, yo, odasi. Yentie wenso ne die no.
Good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Magiti. The Yankopon din echiamu nyina na ese Yankopon pa so mamu nyina nyinche ahodi wom ene nyansa ne nimdie. Mpacho mo question mienu na ni nyina ye similar mibusa ma mayonkofo bi. Baako ne ebaba awo mamienu nkura no epapa okrom ha ono kuta British book na maame no de ekuta Ghana book nti ya o give visiting na yi na ode aba msasisi ya kese obe 10 years visiting visa wo na yi mo a otade nkura no eba na nanka maame ne hwese nka ne ba no ebeba betena krom ha ba na adwuma o Ghana susu nti o mpese obeba na oso peso hunu se one nkura ne to o Ghana no nkura no so mienu nyina kuta British book omu nyina obewo omu ha na maame ne peso hunu so ne ba no ne nana no mote Ghana no se omotena ho che na nkura ne nyinyini wo ho a enko fa problem bia emre omo daache se ebia nkura ne nyini duru ba bi na omo peso omo betena krom ha enko so problem bia emmom do omo papa ewa ha. Second question so nipa no ete UK ha no wo ha okuta indefinite na oko holidays na mse lockdown no buy na ochi mu anti for be 6 months ni dia akoka Ghana fe na opese oba na oba no so no na madwuma sem to opese oja ne ba na ono kuta British book no Ghana ho na oba ha na obeye adwuma na oja akra no Ghana ho no na ono so ete ha no da chi bi opese okofa akra no edene ba enkofa sunsanso bia emre akra no papa so de etiana ma hakra da nti ma minimum na ote ha no ma okuta indefinite nti omosro so betimi ama omanu ye bia betima ma omahunu de omobeya ka ombeda waspa nti nyame nhia mu nyina bye.
Question there, Uncle Ben.
Good morning, Mageti. Good morning.
Sorry. Or no answer. Yo, Uncle Ben, Pacho answer, no answer.
Yeah, answer near the same answer to both questions.
Okay.
But Nkolani British, Omo Ghana, or person who say Omo Ghana chair, Ombelusu, Omo British citizenship. Now the answer is no.
Okay.
But comes to a Ghana 6 months, or Baba, or person Jana boy British. Akolani wa Ghana obelusu ni British citizenship na. The answer is no. It doesn't affect your mokra.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Wow, landline is so. Wow, landline is when they do so. Your friend send out as a friend.
Pastor, your family. Nanaya, make us say, Mr. Kings.
Yo, Uncle Ben, Uncle. Aye.
Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Pastor, I'm supposed to be Pastor, my EU application is the marriage one. Now, by online, may you know, Obani didn't be a mistake. And I don't know, medical submitted, so I don't know, did you or make my Yana?
Not really, no. Obey to me. I will say, obey me, I say, obey train. I mean, mistake is a letter be signed and accident, and I did different cry.
But also, hello, oh, when to me and National Uncle Ben Bissau say, letter and a dino. Letter be necessary, and I say I throw dino entirely different name. But say when Janason to say what and can obey to me as I abwe room na wa baby answer sa question. But what number ended with if anything 1523 no it do so your frozen now cast free. 1523 find a bone carry all. Uncle Ben Pacha what to make?
Man, tobacco cry.
Hey, kuse. Yeah, okay, say a dinner kwaye akwesini akwasi. I think it's just a letter difference. Into no obisa say or so ye who be because I want your monka for some time to person or person who say or was say or ye who be ana.
Oh, there be a one here so by a question the same thing. Yeah, application man. Nationality akwala de baby or the kwesi 𝐂𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐬 and baby so the grace it is the same thing onya time no na so into on tionka once I wonya the email enya the reference number that's all it means into on train kopim time obebo den sa it is a why application na ko baby I born sa no na fa reference number ni shim. It may be said into why?
Okay, Betty, you were offer for back on so I want to hello, Column, but your frows and now Casa friend.
Pastor, they're from Nanaya, making kids, me, I'm a fair mention as we.
Oh,
I can't be
you.
And let me say, Pastor, I may type or banning our application, and I may type it wrongly. Into I didn't know me, Uncle Ben, a quite do I meet my Anna.
Not just say Uncle Ben sent me tia see and there was similar problem no because when your casa is here and so dear no different from akwesi dear no ntin pacho obani de na o type ye no two names no pacho betumi abobo so am Uncle Ben ehu ana
like the dini
Uncle Ben pacho tenenka
me I'm tenenka
okay yeah cause
Edini Natasha, but in the coin Nathaniel.
Oh, okay. Natasha, no, yeah, Nathaniel.
Oscar and a passport, ma. Oscar and a passport, ma.
The passport, what you can you
Uncle Baby say, Oscar ne passport ne Emma Moana.
Why?
Oh, I don't know. This is here. You must see a fed me who near Queen. Pachote menka. Yes.
I said Obana application that it's an one scan way no. And so one correct spelling. I had problem. But how why? Reference number no you okay. Once a reference number no you correct or no Obana reference number no. Are you okay? How why?
Yo, me that's it for uncle.
Ononso edase you. Adia ye called getting to the end. I feel you yen share la. I mean share Facebook for no so kakra. Miss Remo move and check me why. They are not no say me cheer me. Until I na ma ignore mo kakra no. But nyame shramo yen koso akosia part. I say good morning Manyeti. Good morning Uncle Ben. God bless you for your good work. Akosia this say God bless you all. Me whole question be yes. Some kwesi ando. Any question, but I think say complimentary or commending. See, mastery of the law is always displayed with apt. The clarity which you advise and explain the law is highly commendable. You are indeed a real asset to our community. God continue to bless you, Uncle Ben, with wisdom and good health. Bwf Solicitors, you have indeed distinguished yourself. Some question was also such a powerful message. Vincent Eduje face good morning, Uncle Ben, and the host, kudos you. Me who question be I'm trying to find the questions in a way I make kind. See with regards with regards to those who have performed exceedingly well with the PhD, what's the option for the global talent visa? Uncle Ben, say na me hwehwe no. Uncle Ben pacho obetumi amaye mo akakra na me de akweku men.
Sa global talent no started January. And January no or PhD or two options. First of all, no, be around summertime, no, automatic 3 years on the Bayajuma. Be before that, no, was highly skilled and as a skilled migrant program.
Okay.
Includes global talent, you know. And also obey me a use until be our PhD no. I be a quite more university degree and so from summer on to be a quite more. I'm here Juma 2 years, so PhD or here Juma 3 years. See, I have good news from next year, dear. It's all good news for more students, more bus school is money.
Yeah, that's it. When you say good morning, please, when can you apply for a free waiver if you have 7 months for your visa to expire? Please, the question or no?
Fee waiver application, no, under paragraph 38 of the immigration rules, no. Oh yeah, not just a wire application. 7 months there, what do I will say 3 months to say what in the baby will be to me. Almost to me a decision early. If you have a decision within 2-3 weeks, no my it be so hard a couple of months. But at least 3 months. From 3 months, you'll be to me. Why?
Okay, Nensabeka. Many Doris Kessin so say, or she will help to fight against the IHS. Say or they say Kofi Asem no. You never sign. You know as they apply for a petition. Yes, sign. You 100,000. You can overtake. You Sarah Sapons. Good morning, please. My cousin is European citizen. Can I apply under him? The question, no, Sarah Sapon.
Yes, I idea what cousin no or share answer our baha and our Ghana no or share still. Yes, let me apply.
Okay, you order say me try say many questions, most of them. You do Uncle Ben, you are the best lawyer ever. God bless you for your work. God bless you, sister. And ya me insha we me babe man say me nwe aduane na odina e kɔ ne sika no original mommy. You are the best cook ever. And Uncle Ben, I just say if you satisfy the community now, of course, we all together will say you are the best lawyer. Why are they me insha? Intiative for yenyan kwaya ka be 2 minutes penny e kona men sanfa into the biom BBB, you know, was so photo me producer or ha onfa photo into so mame na yenka ho asem kitu ebi yenka memfa course bi ebium yemre na so me pamocho onfanto so na menka ho asem ba before the beto so no mesremo say every Saturday the community and the law no baso every Saturday the community and the law no baso me amenua be ma kweku from point host the program, but it's with it's with Bwf Solicitors for on website ne so on Facebook site ne so no every Saturday 4 to 6 now never miss it because ohono ubisa omunya abotre onza hana is just 1 hour but 2 hours into omunya abotre na omo chechi omusenia before the phone beto so no wenya why you satisfied with your question any answer omo grant amount into the community and the law no baso tomorrow the same time 4 to 6 ewo 7 sisters omo aso hon pepe pacho Facebook no eno ase ube type www.bwf Solicitors no ube type on website no ube Facebook no live ewo honum no wa join omo Twitter omo Instagram eno ase na san share omo Zoom nso number no Shenenson 0208439730 no eno anom didi dwuma sa number no nso se wo hwehwe BWF Solicitors for chira kwan or enwana omu yusu enwana eye office main line inti opese oni lawyer bia ekasa lawyer Richie wo ho lawyer Eunice wo ho lawyers no omodoso sorry model me fancy omodoso Uncle Ben so wo ho na ope omu bia na oni omu akasa ofre the main switch line na ya connect inti na manemesa abosu biom eye 0208 4937340 0208-493-7340 ubosa na manam unsem na yentumi ansa wa hano ubetumi afre in fact BWF solid or they are there for the community inti adieda wa akoma so bia opese yedi hu dwuma ma no empopo uti ubetumi nso afro mo book appointment na wakọ honom enora se nipa kwa mebua no na initially na me hu so because se okita 10 years permanent status no na oh yeah ID check na o sticker no camera no and to memfa so that means you have to go somewhere for them to do the ID check ne ma ananka ben entisa
sometimes we bet me use computer no so what sticker na emfa enti we use online application instead of the app.
Nti no sa no be use online na me just say me matna so na achire ma adwen kakra until say me kai say ya ka ho asempe nti bibisa no opese obi boa won so na we ya you can just call them, book an appointment, they can help you to do that. And na visa no enwi ana 31st no embeto na afi na hochire aba yo Uncle Ben kra eden na odibeja yen ansa na
well I mean ti about enya ba ya IHS fee no kosro from the 27th so see IHS fee no 620 something a year for 2.5 years in a year, 1,560. More ya kaya, more ya modia no nyina no, more save 560. Most wa mo ya ebema mo ho be kire mo muntimi nye application because scan bi abeka no. Mo betimi aye fee waiver. Enti nyame adoma next week you know, ya be hwese na mo a mo ho kire mo ye adwuma mo nye ska. But muntimi save mfentua. Ya be hwe sa fee waiver no biom. Na yet media boamo na model I am applications.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Me producer and part of a photo need to sumami na men kahu asem kakra. And he say, and 30th October, 5 p.m. GMT time, ne pepe no. And he say Black British Business Award no. The revelation will come today 5 o'clock sharp. Na yenyina empire boy, yenyina yen wish, yenyina ebe ni say they will reveal this na yen papa Dr. Bernard Owusu the photo and the tariho na the award nation nsa enti no mom kai na just follow the way no obon say nka link no mean to me enfant to but what you can do ni say ope say o follow na o try celebrating na obenya live coverage no so enso a no ase bomodin na call website ne so www.bbbaward.com no say o benya link no so ewo honom na wa follow a code now the be course no celebrate just type celebrate yen jessica you are not paying anything near obetumi aya say you type celebrate to apply na afede o the details kakra bia to say na be you can join them to view the nipa kwa be celebrating no my wish is say ebe Uncle Ben me dey me wish no won so say unim say community no owo ho ma ye nyina ene ene unim paebo ubenya nka ene odi afitisi up to 5 na fast na bomb pai na revelation no reveal no yo Uncle Ben yenso ye dasi
yo manyeti ene ye nyina ye dem paebo 5 o'clock nyame adoma
yebehu
yamede akudu
sanity yo etie for me da mo nyina si Facebook for me da mo nyina si nyame nhyehyɛ mo nya Joseph Alexander Jan nyame nhyehyɛ o say you are the chosen one of course me de na yesa kai mo nso say nyame adoma December saa yen we na every year ekoso no ebeba so December ye bom pan so say ebeba so nti no mo nkoso antie yen fitie na till December any election time ni nyina ne time ayede ye quiz no any awards na Uncle Ben so ni me ya adwen ana ye di won komo yet but you believe say ye commendation time na testimonies time no ebeba so December we nti mo mbo mode ana mo nkoso ana mo ntie ye program no nyame nhira mo nyina nyame di medwumade no esi ha nyame nhira obibia Uncle Ben bye bye.
Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.